I received these stainless steel snack containers as a gift and I wanted to share my experience using them. This is a 2-pack of reusable snack containers made from stainless steel, and each one has 2-compartment design, which is really nice for separating snacks, sauces, or dips. They work well for lunches, meal prep, travel, or just everyday food storage. I do want to mention that the lid can be kind of a bit of a pain at first. It takes a little getting used to figuring out how to line it up and seal properly, but once you understand how it fits and get the hang of it, they work really well and seal securely. I like that they're leak proof once sealed, which makes them great for dips, sauces, or snacks you're throwing in a bag. The stainless steel feels sturdy and durable, and I like having an option that's reusable and not plastic. The size is great for both kids and adults, and the 2 compartments make it easy to pack a variety of foods without everything touching. Overall, these were really a thoughtful gift. There's a small learning curve with the lid, but once you get it past that, they're practical, well made containers that are great for everyday use and travel.